Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, battery, and wireless module. Removal. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Open the right display panel hinge. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and power connector cables for later replacement. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the wireless antenna and power connector cables from the routing channel on the top cover and right speaker. Lift the power connector out of the cradle on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power connector cable.